Hello, welcome to Topper Machine. I'm Josh Topper. Have you ever had one of those days where nothing went right? You know, it's really kind of a safety issue because when you get in that mindset and things aren't going right, and you're screwing stuff up, then you start to panic. You get in that mindset, and then you stop thinking about what you're doing, and it can be dangerous. Now, I luckily didn't have an accident where I got hurt today, but I had one of those days where I started out this morning TIG welding some aluminum brackets. Filler metal wouldn't flow, would not flow. No matter what I did, wouldn't flow. I grabbed the wrong filler metal. I bet nobody knew that you could fuse aluminum and stainless. It worked. I ground it all off, but it worked. Then I re-welded it with aluminum filler rod. So, that was fixed. About 8 o'clock, I went out to get a fire going in the boiler. By 1:30, I finally got that fire going. Fought with it all day. Did not want to burn. Did not want to go. No matter what I did not want to work. One of those days. Now, at that point, I should have gave up. Called it a day. But I didn't. I got a used 3-phase, 3-horse motor for the Worcester Shaper. Powered it up. Bearings are howling. Alright, let's take it apart. Put new bearings in it. Well, I managed to bust up one of the end housings of the motor a little bit. It's fixable. It'll get fixed. Not today. Not today. It's not worth it. Now, I've already decided I'm done for the day. That's it. Time to walk away. So what do you guys do in your shop when this happens? You home guys probably do the same thing I do. I own the business, I own the shop. So I shut off the lights, walk away, have a beer. Get away from it. Stop thinking about it. Because now I'm at that point that if I continue, I'm going to screw something else up, or I'm going to get hurt. I don't want that. You don't want that. Now, all you guys that are working for somebody else, this is where it gets tricky. You can't walk away. You can't shut the lights off. You can't go home. But you can go do something else. Go saw some material. Go sweep the floor. Just try to get away from the complex stuff you're working on. Get away from the things that you have to think about. Get away from the aggravation. Just find something else. Because I guarantee you that if you continue on in the path you're going, and you're in that mindset now, you're going to get hurt, you're going to screw something up, it's just not safe. So the safe thing to do is walk away. Just walk away. Call it a day if you can. Now, contrary to popular belief, I'm not perfect. And today was a fine example of that one. I'm not perfect. And, it was one of those days. And to add insult to injury, I just got a phone call from my customer, one of my customers, for a job I was going to do on the Big Monarch. And I was going to start that one tomorrow. They had the job pulled. So this was farmed out to another shop that doesn't have the equipment, the large capacity I do. And they've done this job for 25 years. They've farmed it out, and they've been working with this customer for a long time. They pulled the job on them. So there you go. Insult to injury. What a day. That was a good job that just walked away like that. Time to shut off lights and just go to the house. Call it a day. So, until next time, like us on Facebook at Topper Machine LLC. Visit our website, www.toppermachine.com, and like and subscribe. The best way to stay up with us, just like and subscribe. Stay with us, and hopefully we'll have a better day. And hopefully we can get back out in the shop tomorrow and maybe get it done right the first time.